Okay, class, today we'll be talking about how to make your own Powtoon video. Let me see. You can start by choosing, well, first you would need to Google Powtoons up here, which I've done this already up here at the top, and it should bring you up to a page that looks like this. Let me click out of this. Okay, so you can choose from different templates, or if you would like, you could, which I've created a couple myself, you can see here, or you can choose to do from a blank Powtoon. So I find it easier if you're trying to do your own presentation to do it with a blank canvas. So let's click out of that. Okay, so you can choose from Modern Edge, Whiteboard, Cartoon, Infograph, or Real. I'm going to go with Cartoon. Okay, so really with Powtoon is the main key is to write out a storyline of what you are wanting to talk about, and once you have that written out, then you kind of have an idea of what to put on your Powtoon and what to write. So let me see here. So over here to the right hand side, the first thing that you would want to do is to click on your background. You can upload your own background or just pick a color. I'm just going to pick blue. Okay. Then you can go down here and you can put in text. So let's click this. And then you would go to add body text. So you click in here and put summer vacation. Okay. And once you do that, you can move this any way that you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it bold, you can change the color of it, white, purple. I like that. We'll go with purple. You can do effects with it to where they'll write out the words, or they'll move it in from the right or the left. We'll do move it into the left and push enter. Okay, so let's move this. I want this moved to the top of the page, so we'll move it up there. So next step would be to add your picture. So you can choose from the office, here, work, ominous, pleasant style, heroes at work. It's really just whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to go with the office, okay? So it gives you different characters to choose from here. I'll just click with her. Okay. And I double clicked it. Let me click her. Delete on her. Okay. So we can move her over. See, she's waving hi, hi. Okay. So with her, you can flip it around, swap her, and you can do a lot of things with her. So, where'd she go? Okay, let's put it back. Okay. So, we'll do her waving. So, but you can choose from happy to idea to hello, typing, sad, angry. You could do her thinking, but we'll stick with her waving. So, let's move her over here. And, okay, so it's really neat because they have different props you can use. You can use shapes, images to choose from. You can put your own video in there. You can put music in there. It also has on here like special effects. I like the sounds one because you can actually put your own music in here or the voiceover, that's where you can actually record your own voice, and then like once you record it, you can put it in here and it'll say like the summer vacation or say whatever text that you put in here. So let's go in here and let's add, I want to add, let me see, let's go to props. So I'm go up here and I'm going to add a sun up here at the top. So click into sun, and let's see, it'll give you different choices here. So let's do sunburst, see what that comes up. See, there's a picture of a sun. Yay! Okay, so you can make it bigger, smaller. I want to move it up here to the top of the page. So, okay, so there's your first slide. You can add another slide, do the same thing, and go over here to the side, click on what background that you want. You can put different backgrounds in here too. You don't have to just do a blank one. So, yeah, it's a pretty easy tool to use, and like I said, you can make your own storyline up or do summer, and then you can put anything in here. You can put anything in here from what you did, what you're planning on doing. You can make a presentation about like a school or whatever. So okay, let's go back up here. So I'm going to show you this double click out of there. Okay, so her, okay, one of the things I forgot to say. So like down here at the bottom of your screen, you can push play. See how that comes in, and then she pops up. So then you can put whatever here that you want, some kind of saying or whatever. You can move her up. You can move this over. So that won't come in until later. So see how the sun hasn't popped up yet. Now it's popped up. See? But if you want the sun to be there in the beginning, then you have to put it in the beginning. So let's do that. So, see? Okay. So that's how that works. And that's how it determines on how much time that you have. So if you don't want that to last that long, then you can go over here and reduce your seconds. So you push it back. So it shouldn't be as long as it was. So it should only last around 5 seconds or so. Okay. And then, so over here too, I'm going to show you this. So in between transactions, you have different ones that you can choose from when it changes slides. You can do fans up, fan down, spiral. I like the spiral, so we'll try that. So let's go back here and let's start it over. So let's show you how it does. So there it goes. Just moving high. Okay, see how it switches over to the next slide? You can do that with different ones that you choose from. So I'm going to show you one that I have created. Let me go over. Okay, let's go over here. So that's how you create a Powtoons video. And it's really neat when it comes together because it's like a little story. So here's one that I've created. And once it comes together, it is.
Hello, class. Today I have some exciting news.
So you can put the pictures in there. She's waving.
I'm excited to announce to you the date of the end of the school year field day.
So you can add the balloons.
We are going to have loads of fun.
See how she does the happy dance.
You will be allowed to bring a blanket to sit on and your own treats.
You can add different
It would
features
be a
on
good
there.
idea, however, to not bring chocolate as it
You
will
can
be
put your
hot
own
and it will
background on
melt.
there.
It would also be a good idea to
See, now
bring
she's doing the
plenty to
thinking
drink
sign.
as
So I've
you will
changed
likely
her up a
to
little
get
bit.
hot outside.
I've added the picture with the water, so you can kind of get an idea of
We will
that.
also have the concession stand open
That's another feature that
with
I
your
like,
choice
is with
of
the hand where
drinks,
it comes
chips,
over.
popcorn, and pickles.
You can add the different pictures.
Okay, parents, save the date. Date will be May the 10th from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Location is at Sunny Side Up Playground. Can't wait to see you there. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, so that is just a simple one that I have created. And once your presentation is done, it will look something like that. And that's just a basic, simple one. You can go in and put more details in it if you would like. But that's how you do a HighTunes video. Okay, so now I'm going to move on and show you how to do a book trailer. I did my book trailer through Animoto. So I clicked on Animoto, Googled Animoto, and this is a simple way to create an Animoto video. So let's log in here. I'm already logged in. So this is one that I did about The Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm sure everyone's heard about that. My sister is in love with it. So it's to create a book trailer. Basically, it's you have to go in and you have to well, I'll show you. So let me see. Go to create here at the top, and let me see, what is this? Go to create. Okay, so when you do create your own thing, you have several different templates to choose from. It depends really on what book that you are trying to do, on which scenes that you want to do from. Since I did the Nightmare Before Christmas, of course, I went to the holidays, and that gave me the one to do for the spiderweb one. So let's say you do one about the Grinch that stole Christmas. So this would be a perfect one to click on, is that one. So it gives you like a outline of what it's going to look like. If that's the one that you like, then you push create, and then once you go from there, then you can add your logos, add the pictures and videos, and then add the text. So when you add the logo here, you add a picture there of, let's say, the Grinch. Okay, so once you do that, then you go, and then this is where you add pictures. I found it easier to load pictures on there from Google. So like if you Google pictures from the Grinch, and it'll give you different pictures, and then you can upload it. But be careful not to use something without someone's permission. See if it has copyright laws applied to it. So you go there and you'll push upload, and once you push upload, then it'll show your pictures here. And then with the text, like if there's say you want to put there's the Grinch, or the Grinch stole Christmas. So you push save, and see, it'll pop up here. You can add pictures on here. Like I said, you can do it with the ones that you've already did. You could add videos to it, but I think you should stick mainly with the pictures since you're doing a book trailer. But If you're doing like